West Virginia, probably.
Guess what I...
What? I don't care.
I made it too. Anyways, but there's my first find of the night.
Nice. Oh, what is it? Ooh, an SA 125.
Yes.
Oh, Timmy's typing.
Oh no. He's probably gonna
Tomothy is typing.
furnace or ooh or oh whoa.
Timothy. Oh wait, Timmy looks at my videos. Alright, I'm gonna get back onto.
I'm sorry, Jesse.
Let me Let me get my cat out of my room.
Thank you, Jeff.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, that's cool. And then there's an SA-67 in the same house.
Oh my god! Wow. All right. Let's hope I can find something rare and vintage. Oh, I already searched in West Virginia today. There's nothing.
You did?
Yeah.
We shall see. If I find anything.
Yo, I just found this. I just found this beige SA-6070 second gen, of course.
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's beige. I totally believe that.
On the first floor, there's a SC-7120B with an escape light.
Okay, the first thing I found is an 86 RAC.
Nice. Kind of wish I didn't give up on West Virginia so fast.
I found good stuff in West Virginia, but no new houses ever pop up there. It's the bad thing about it. Oh my god.
I mean, who here actually uses Realtor for its actual purpose?
Buying a house?
Yeah, buying a house.
Normal people.
Wait, how did you, Jesse, how did you get your new house there?
Hello, Fasco.
Wait, what were you saying, Jacob?
Like, how did you get your new house in Las Vegas?
My parents bought it.
Oh, like,
Like,
did you like search for it on Realtor or something?
Yes, it was on Zillow.
Ah, okay. Hmm. I found a, I found
didn't you
a Browning.
didn't you say your mom uses like a really cringy freaking real home searching set, Jesse?
She just used Zillow. Oh no no, there was another one she used too. She used to use Trulia.
The one I was mentioning.
Yeah.
And a second gen 6070,
It's
which
not the worst one though. The worst one is Redfin.
Redfin sucks, yeah.
Redfin is awful.
I remember when Realtor used to be worse than Zillow.
Oh yeah.
This room has no lights or ceiling fans.
Did you find something, Jacob?
Found
Sadly,
this.
no. Just
He
a
found it.
person.
He found his soul in dignity.
Just someone looking at themselves in the mirror.
Lovely.
Oh yes! Look what it is!
Oh my god, no.
It's that fine.
Oh, shoot.
Didn't Ben find that?
Yep, so I'm gonna move to Virginia.
Yikes. Oh, and here's my
Or
rarest find
Virgin
tonight. Oh wait, no. Not
Virgin
my rarest
Islands
find.
of the United States.
Virgin Islands. Lovely. Sounds like my type of island. Forever and always.
God dang it.
Oh god.
I don't know what's funnier, my distorting pictures or that phrase that you just said.
Same, Jesse,
I
same.
have no idea.
Definitely same. Definitely same. Oh, nasty, first alert.
I see what they did. They took an SA303 and they put an SG200 on SA303 bracket.
Oh, what the heck? Wait. I once did see, an FG200, something on a
Like
mounting,
home search in
on a
Hawaii.
box.
You once saw an FG200.
On
I'm
a, on
home
a wire
searching.
box.
True story, bro.
I'm home searching in Hawaii.
People watching my videos are gonna be like, this is
I've
unusual.
actually home searched in Hawaii before. That's where I found that one really weird M Heart thing that I found that one time.
I haven't heard that name in
It's that
years.
one. It's that like M Heart. Or no, yeah, the M Heart 911 that had that weird like cover with that censored shell thing. It's hard to explain.
Is it like the
Uh,
Empire 911 without like the light or whatever?
No, it's like it had like a weird. I'll have to find a picture of it.
what the heck? This
Does
is
it
a
not like?
really nice house. I wish I could record it on the computer for you guys, but sadly, no. You can't see it. His realtor wants to be what you call. What does Frank call it?
What does Frank call
Connecticut.
Ooh.
Oh.
And I'll check Colorado after I check Connecticut.
I don't see those.
Let's see those. Connecticut is awful for home searching.
And I just found, and look what I just found.
Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my.
It's not a.
It's a Sears SA120. 1200.
That is a Sears Probe 301.
That's a Sears SA120.
No, that's not.
It's a Spears Probe 105, or not 105, 401.
What? Oh.
I love how Jack finds that right. I love
I
how
love how you say. I love how you say Connecticut is garbage. Yet that's the first thing I find.
yeah.
Right.
Does that change your opinion now?
I found one of them ESL 320s with the
Does that change your opinion now?
I guess.
why did I just click on Google Earth?
Without finding anything, maybe not.
Whoops. I accidentally clicked on Google Earth.
Congratulations.
This will be the first time I include Jack Williamson and JDL Productions in a video. Nathaniel and Ian are, and Tubby's Alarms Reviews and More are both in here
Is that
too.
is that a Cerberus base here?
Where?
Here's-
No, they.
That's not. Is that?
Oh, but
What is that alarm, anyways? Yeah, there's two flues.
Actually good.
Oh, it goes.
It's
I'm
probably-
having luck tonight in Connecticut. Okay, this grilled smoke alarms. Oh, there was another one right there. they removed
I really
it.
wish
Just
that they didn't get rid of the and I found two more of those ESL 320s, 320Cs or whatever they're called.
320Ms.
Yeah,
I
some something like that.
missed one, but
I just got 3 houses in order
at
next.
least it's better than oops, model not available.
Not really. When it comes to Asteroom, they might as well just all be oops model non-availables.
I don't care if there's an well. Oh, I just said something that I might have would have. Whoa! Look at that.
Major woe.
Major oh whoa.
Yes.
Furry term.
Woo. And
What
we have
bracket does this alarm go to?
and we have a freaking
Orange Simmer.
Wow!
I'm finding some cool stuff tonight.
Well, look at that 79R. Look at that. Family Guard. 80. Oh wow! Look at that. That is cool. Or as Ian would call it,
It must be looking
cool.
when I search for like an hour and don't find a single thing.
That is a security siren that has been ripped off.
I hate people who
So that
break
ceiling's
fire
not even, that's actually
X's.
for that's actually one of those DSC Neo smokes. Those are actually decent, but they're just ugly. DSC panel detectors are pretty dang good for what they are security system wise. Wouldn't ever go floral hugger. Those are cool.
Pennsylvania actually has some pretty good stuff.
Yep, it does.
Hey, what's the model of that Norelco that FX1218 posted last night? That I reposted in the server.
Posted up. Okay.
I don't know. I'm not your servers, so I would not know.
The Norton that Jan Eaton has.
I'm sorry, Jacob, but I would probably join your server if that idea was not it.
And then Fire XFXW based Nortron.
I don't know, bro.
I think I found is not a smoke alarm.
What is
Smoke
that?
detector camera.
Oh my god.
That's one of those smoke alarm decoy cameras.
Oh boy. Thanks.
I've once seen the Family Guard version
Yeah, they
in
may.
a modern sub.
Honestly, whoever rebrands a Keta i4618AC is probably really low.
What is this house?
That would be a house.
House.
It's
You
kind of
don't say.
sus. That house is kind of sus.
I hope I find the bathroom, pull them out on it.
Honestly, same.
Some for some reason. It's happened before. They've done it.
I wish I could find a
Doesn't
Smoke
show.
Guard 700.
Oh, nice. A CO
I think a lot of
1224.
us would.
Just imagine I just happen to go into the next house and it has an SS74R.
Except I'd rather find.
You'd rather find a mega horn.
Yes, I would too.
For like the 90% of viewers watching this video, an SS74R is the oldest and rarest BRK alarm, right? Is that it? Would an SS74R be the rarest BRK alarm? And overall, one of the rarest alarms to date. Ooh! Oh. Never mind. It's one of them, it's a yellowed, SA301B, I think. I'll post it for you
Oh,
guys.
look, there's my garbage. Garbage. I could have done a way better job making it.
Oh my god, I remember watching your 1839N video. You sound so cringe. You sound just like you do now, but like a higher pitched voice.
Yeah.
Hey Jesse, why does the LED look purple?
Hey. It really does look purple.
Oh my god. Why are you torturing me with this joke?
Like,
Alright. Look, it does look purple. I swear to god it looks purple.
Classic.
the LED, or the little red light, and it's on, indicating that there's power.
You see? It looks purple.
So yes, and basically what it does for
power?
coding is just continuous. Cool. Let's do it one more time.
Yeah, and then an ear rape there.
Alarms that do like a piezo.
Oh, you guys are
I
lagging.
hope y'all enjoyed that.
Harness as, you know,
Ah, the classic Ian intro.
now see this LED is actually brighter. It's actually brighter. Now, I don't know why this one is dimmer. I wonder if it's like due to like age. It's like very dusty on the inside. I'm pretty sure this was installed in the house too, but I'm not too sure. And these actually look very house. But anyways, let's give this one a test. And this one is actually a little bit louder. Louder. Now let's compare this to my Captain Kelly just for it.
Oh shoot, now I'm gonna get copyrighted.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Tubby's Alarms, Reviews, and more.
Oh, he has a
And
Marker
today, I
SRO-4.
just wanted to showcase you my favorite smoke alarm finds of 2020. And then, in the end of the video, I will do a quick year in review, recap. Alarms, of course, I love how huge they are. They always look like UFOs, and I especially love the smoke guard-based ones. The only ammo if that's not smoke guard-based is the
I don't even know what the
E1309.
hell the SL709-2.
And it's extremely special to me. I love the design of this thing, and I also love the principle this thing uses. It actually uses incandescent lines, photoelectric
Are you
detectors.
live streaming right now, Jacob?
I also
No,
absolutely
I'm just
love this
recording
design.
a video.
It is so
No.
cool. We got here, Guardian, Cerberus
I thought you were
Pythons,
legitimately
FD1.
live streaming.
No,
Yes.
but I
What's up?
can. No.
I'm just.
You want it more pitch than usual. You know, other people's are usually more
Oh
higher
my
pitch
God.
than this.
I remember your comment
I like how pretty that was pretty.
when I said that the LED looks purple.
I also love that shrill sound.
What was my reply?
No, I absolutely
You said,
love this.
I don't know how to respond to that.
I'm scared again.
I see smoke spray.
What is he testing?
Off.
Spray.
Bad alarms. I have got so many
Wait,
problems.
Jacob?
What?
I thought Jacob was trying.
What alarm was he actually testing though?
The pyrotector.
The one that sounded like a a 907 B2 on steroids.
It has the classic continuous sound that the 1839 ends and the 20.
I'm gonna go take a piss. I'll be.
Wait, why are you watching Ethan's videos?
Because it's just testing. Stuff I can watch.
To be honest, I don't like Ian's new intro. I like the old one better.
Early trying to mess
Ooh,
around
the
with sensitivity,
CEC
which is
Georgian.
epic. So now, let's talk about this unit. As you might have been able to tell,
Whoa! What lifesaver is that?
battery. A lot of people call this the successor to the 1200, made around the late. It flashes every 40 to 60 seconds. Now, these were made around the late 80s. Of course, these are the wires you power the thing up with.
What is that?
That is a STA-SAF GSD-100 gas and smoke alarm overview and demo.
Yeah, I'm back.
That's what it is. Well, alright, well, fans of Jacob Smoke Alarm reviews and more, I'm gonna end the video. Bye, guys.